Stanbridge University's AVMA accredited Veterinary Technician program has led the way in healthcare education by reimagining the way students learn. You'll train hands-on with domesticated pets and large and exotic animals, utilizing virtual reality, the first ever elevating X-ray table for digital imaging, and the West Coast's first high-fidelity Canine Patient Simulator. In fully functioning surgical clinics and exam rooms, you will practice administering medication and injections, placing IVs, inducing anesthesia, taking diagnostic X-rays, and assisting in surgery. Our faculty are 100% dedicated to student success. Our goal is to be sure that the level of veterinary medicine they're exposed to is going to make them highly desirable for top practices. Our vet tech students actively influence their local and global community for the greater good, providing free spay and neuter clinics in partnership with no-kill shelters and animal rescue groups, and helping to save thousands of animal lives. Stanbridge University has spent years transforming healthcare education, and we're just getting started. Welcome to Stanbridge University.